Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from DRDO. So the location of DRDO, which is called Aeronautical Development Establishment, which is in Bangalore, is recruiting for the post of Research Associates and Junior Research Fellows. So this recruitment is mainly focusing on electronics branches. So we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. Okay. So the location, which is called ADE, that is Aeronautical Development Establishment, is recruiting for the post of Research Associate and also Junior Research Fellows. Okay. So before seeing the details, the last day, the closing date of online application is 20th April. Okay. So if you are interested in this notification, you should apply online before 20th April. Now let us see the post and the vacancy details, also the qualification. First one is Research Associate, Electronics branch. You should be either requiring PhD in electronics or microwaves, and also you should be having ME MTech first class in either EC or microwave and RF with the 3 years of research experience. Okay. Now there is only one vacancy for Research Associate. Next, Junior Research Fellow. They are recruiting for electronics and communication, computer science, mechanical, electrical and electronics. Okay. Now, for JRF, you should be having either BE Tech first division with valid gate score, or you should be having ME MTech with first division in graduate and postgraduate. That is for your BE Tech and also for your ME MTech, you should be having first class. Okay. Now, the vacancies also they have given here. For EC, 3 vacancy, computer science, 3 vacancy, mechanical engineering, 2 vacancy, and electrical and electronics, 1 vacancy. Okay. Now, talking about the selection process of this recruitment, it is only happening through interview. You don't have to give any examination or anything. Directly, you will be called for the interview. Okay. Now, talking about the nature of the interview, it can be online or offline interview. The interview will be happening in the month of May or June. They have given May/June. Can be in May or June. Okay. And the interview will be mostly online only. Online interview will be there, or sometimes they'll be calling you for the offline interview. Okay. So only the shortlisted persons or only the selected persons will be intimated regarding the nature of interview. So they have given here that you have to apply through the site. I'll be posting this link in description. Directly you can apply there. So you have to fill an online application form. Otherwise, if the interview is offline, then you have to travel to this address location. Okay. So just download this PDF. There is a notification and keep it with you. You can see the notification and you can see the address also. Okay. Now talking about the duration of this job. For research associate, it is actually given towards the end. Okay. For research associates, it is for 2 years. For JRF, it will be initially for 2 years, but it is extendable further depending on the nature of the project. Okay. So minimum 2-year guarantee of job they are offering. Okay. Next, talking about the salary or the monthly stipend that you are going to get is for research associate it is 54,000 rupees per month plus HRA. For junior research fellow it is 31,000 per month plus HRA. Okay. So that is the monthly pay that you're going to get if you are getting selected. Okay. Monthly pay is very, very good if you are talking about the post research associate and also for junior research fellow. Okay. And also that organization is very good if you are interested to start your career with. Okay. Age limit also they have given. Age limit is 35 years maximum and 28 years for JRF. Okay. For research associate it is 35 years, 28 years it is for junior research fellow. Okay. So that's all about the details. Other details they have given here. There is no, if you are going for the offline interview, no electronic items of mobile phones or anything is permitted. And if you are working, you require a no-objection certificate. And also they have given one thing here. Kindly note that the registration would involve payment of rupees 10 through online for general and OBC creamy layer candidates. Candidates belonging to SC/ST, OBC and non-creamy layer are exempted from the fees. You have to pay rupees 10. Okay. I think that is just processing fees. Rupees 10 is nothing compared to the other fees which the other organizations are taking. So it is a very good opening, I think. If you are interested and if you have this qualification, this is definitely a very good opening. They are not asking any big fees or anything. They are not asking you to write an examination also. So directly interview you have to give if you are getting selected. Mostly online interview will be there. They have given here, see, the nature of interview, it can be online or offline depending on the nature of that is the Wi-Fi connectivity and the everything at your home. If you are having a good connectivity of, there is internet connectivity, if you're having a webcam at your home, then directly from your home itself you can give the interview. Okay, but otherwise they'll be calling you for the offline interview, that is to the campus of Bangalore they'll be calling. Anyway, if it is offline interview also, if you're interested, then this is a good opening, don't miss this. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment news from DRDO. A lot of people is asking for government job updates. Here it is. I'm trying to bring a maximum job updates for EC, EI and EEE branches. Please do support the channel. Please do subscribe to the channel. And if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.